I am often asked, Sir, beginner mo kina akong estudyante sir, or akong buhaton. Well, ang pinaka-first nga dapat nimo buhaton is tudluan nimo siya unsaon pagpangutana og question. And the pattern is quasam. QU for question word, A for auxiliary verb, S for subject, and then M for your main verb. So, si question word is basically katong how long, the WH question, what, where, when, kana siya. Auxiliary verbs are your helping verbs. Mano siya si do, does, did, depende sa tense sa imong verb. Subject, basically kato sila he, she, it, they, the boy, the girl, the children. So, mano sila itong mga subject. And M is for your main verbs, so do, eat, or whatever nga verb ang imong gamitan. So, it will go like this. So, what time, that's QU, what time did you sleep last night? What are you doing tomorrow? Or pwede po tamaingan, where did you go last night? Pwede po nga, how long do you want to study English? So, inana na siya. And again, don't forget, the pattern is quasam. One last thing, why didn't you invite me? So, inana siya, ha? Follow for more.